Why does Jeezoo keep getting so many expandable house orders? Because serious buyers care about quality. Jeezoo expandable houses use a 3mm thick galvanized steel structure, making the house stronger and less likely to deform after shipping, lifting, and unfolding. Safer to use and built for long-term projects. For waterproofing, we use a 4-layer waterproof system, so even during rainy seasons, you don't need to worry about leakage risks. The walls use 65mm graphene carbon crystal insulated panels, providing better insulation, heat resistance, soundproofing, and moisture protection. From hot Southeast Asia to snowy Northern Europe, it's designed for different climates and project conditions. Perfect for worker accommodation, Airbnb projects, resorts and campsites, temporary offices. Want layouts and pricing? Send us a message now.